In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly handle a bounce check and reflect it accurately in your financial records, estimated to take you around 2.5 minutes. When a check bounces, it can create some headaches, but with these straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage it without too much hassle and maintain the accuracy of your books. To begin, navigate to your financial management software and look for the option titled New. Under there, you'll find Bank Deposit. You're going to enter the bounce check as a negative deposit. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's crucial for reflecting the fact that funds you initially thought were in your account are, in fact, not there. This negative entry will ensure your bank records match your actual account balance, which is essential for preventing any future discrepancies. Next, you'll want to address any fees that have incurred from this situation. Often, banks will charge a fee for a bounce check, and it's important to record this so your expenses are accurate. You can do this by creating an expense transaction where you can enter the exact fee charged by the bank. This step not only keeps your expenses in line with reality, but also helps in managing cash flow, as you'll have a clearer picture of where your money is required. Now that you've addressed the actual financial aspect of the bounce check, it's time to look at the effect on your customer balances. Depending on the situation, you'll need to adjust this so your customers' accounts correctly reflect the unpaid amount. You can do this by creating either a credit or an invoice. If you decide to invoice, you're basically informing the customer that they still owe you money for that particular transaction. On the other hand, if you're choosing to offer a credit, it's as if you're saying that the money they owe will go on their account and can be settled later. Each business's circumstances may dictate which of these options you choose. Sometimes, extending a credit may foster goodwill with your customers, especially if it was an honest mistake. Other times, an immediate invoice might be more aligned with your cash flow needs. As you go through these steps, do keep in mind the importance of documentation and communication with your clients so everyone remains on the same page. And there you have it, a streamlined yet comprehensive process to manage the aftermath of a bounce check, ensuring that your financial records remain precise and straightforward. By following these steps, you can effectively tackle this challenge and continue to manage your business with confidence. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.